Okay, my name is Dixon Okumbeni, and this is brought to you by CJC Market Nigeria Daily Market Analysis. So we are looking at the fundamentals for today, and from our fundamentals, we will see that we don't have much for the day. From fundamental, we have at 1:30 p.m. unemployment claim at 1:30 p.m. Also, we have Bank of Canada Governor Markley speaks at this time. So these are the two things. Then look at the ECB monetary policy meeting account. So ECB at 12:30 is important. This may move the market, depends on what they discuss. Okay, this might move the market. So keep an eye on this at 12:30 p.m. for the euro. Okay, if they discuss anything very positive about the economy, the growth of the economy, the recovery in the economy, and so on, things that are very positive, then euro will be strengthening during the ECB monetary policy meeting. Okay, but if they discuss something negative, they're worried about the pandemic, probably there's going to be another one, another phase of it, and so on, that will weaken the euro. So please, let's watch out for this. And also, if they discuss anything about the monetary policy, upward adjustment, that will be positive. Downward adjustment will be negative, or future adjustment will be positive. So watch out for that during 12:30 at 12:30 p.m. Then also the unemployment claim by at 1:30 by US is affecting US dollar. I mean, unemployment claim at 1:30 p.m. affecting USD. So watch out for this. If more people are claiming unemployment, that is bad for the economy. If more people are claiming unemployment, that is bad for the economy and it will weaken the dollar. If more people are claiming employment, okay, that means unemployment claim will be reduced, which is good for the dollar. So if you see reduction in this figure, it's good for the dollar. But if you see an increase in the figure compared to the forecast or the previous, then it's bad for the dollars. All right, so we also see at 5 p.m. Bank of Canada Governor Markley will speak at 5 p.m. So what he's going to say will be important, okay? We are only looking for positive or negative speech, which they call dovish or hawkish speech. So any of these will make the market move. So if it is positive, then it's going to strengthen Canadian dollar. If it is negative, it will weaken Canadian dollars, okay? So please watch out for this at 5 p.m. Nigeria time. All right, guys, so let's switch over to our technicals as we look at our technical analysis. Somebody said I should change my background to white to see if it's going to be brighter. Well, I should change my background to white if it's going to be brighter. That means I need to change all this one to black, then this to white. Oh, not looking good though. Okay, let me still try and change the candles. Okay, let me change my candles. I think this will only affect Euro USD. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Let me leave it the way it was before. But those lines, I will change those lines to different color. Okay, since you were not able to see the support and resistance line clearly. So what I will do is to change those lines to different color. Okay, I think that will help. Yes, so that will help. Probably let me change all my support and resistance line to white. Okay, that will help. All right, so everyone, this is Euro USD. Bias today is bearish, and we are looking forward to seeing price moving down heavily. If dollar continue to be strengthened, okay, we're expecting price to move down heavily if dollar continue to be strengthened. So watch out for this today, guys. Watch out for this because it's going to really help to make some money. All right, it's going to really help to make some money. So you see, let me make this a little bit more thicker. Just hold on for me. Okay, I think it's clearer now. With this, everyone can see this. Then let me differentiate that from trend line. So from now on, my trend line should be yellow. Okay, yellow will be visible. Okay, good. From now on, my trend line should be yellow. Yellow will be visible. Okay, good, good, good. So we are good. So we are good. So with this now, you can see what we have. I said bearish for Euro USD is bias for Euro USD. Sorry, bias for Euro USD is bearish. Okay, but expect a pullback. Expect a pullback towards where it is now. Resistance at 1.15. 1.1560. So expect a pullback towards that resistance, which is at that place now, currently at the place. So if the pullback continues, we are expecting the pullback not to exceed 1.1580 level. Okay, it's just a pullback. So that's not a directional change. It's just a pullback. So expect a pullback not to exceed that level. That is 1.1580 level. So I'm expecting a turnaround from where it is now, or a turnaround from 1.1580 level. So if there is a turnaround from where it is now, or from 1.1580 level, then we may see a continuation downward to the next support. Our next support is at 1.1495. 1.1495. That's where we have our next support. So watch out for this, because once price closes below 1.1560, then we're going to see a move towards 1.1495. Bias is bearish for Euro USD today. Bias is bearish, but we're going to see a pullback. Let me make a little drawing. So a pullback probably to this place is important. Then once you see a reversal candlestick, probably a close below 1.1560, then that will be a time to pull the trigger for a movement towards 1.1495 level. Bias is bearish. On the flip side, if candle closes above 1.1580, okay, it cancels the bearish scenario, and price can then move quietly towards 1.1665. Probably maybe dollar is weakening and euro is trending from the speech at 12:30 p.m. If euro is trending, then we might see a reversal. Okay, and it close above 1.1580. We tell us, we trigger our buying move. So it's going to be a buy from 1.1580. Then we'll start considering a buy towards 1.1665. Bias is bearish for now. Bias is bearish. Okay, expecting a pullback towards 1.1560 and a little above that, 1.1580. Then I'm expecting a return, a reversal. Then we move towards 1.1495. But if a candle on 4 hour closes above 1.1580, then that's will indicate a movement upward towards 1.1665. Bias is bearish. Euro USD. All right, so let's go to the next one, which is GBPUSD. GBPUSD has been a little bit volatile this morning. Okay, has been a little bit volatile this morning, but on daily time frame, it is neutral to bearish. That is the bias for GBPUSD on daily time frame, neutral to bearish. But if you look at it critically, you're going to see this candle is called bearish engulfing candle. This is called bearish engulfing candle. All right, so that's a candlestick pattern formed on daily time frame. Okay, so with that, we're only expecting a pullback, which it has done already, a pullback towards 1.3600. Sorry, 1.3600. That's where we're expecting the pullback to end. Okay, so now it has done that. We are now waiting for a break. Please do nothing until you see a break, either a close above 1.3600 or a close below 1.3570. If you see a close below 1.3500, that will tell you we are going towards 1.3530. If you see a close above 1.3600, that is telling you we are going towards 1.36 640. This period market has been shabby. If you look at it very well, it has been going up and down, up and down, up and down. So you have to be very smart in tackling this kind of movement at this period or at this point in time. Okay, so the market is not really trending as it's supposed to be. It has been a little bit choppy, and for this you have to look at your levels properly and take smart decisions. Okay, so if as it's moving in between 1.35 1.3600 and 1.3530, sorry, 1.3570, I'm going to do nothing. As far as it continues moving within this range, I'll do nothing until I see a breakout. If it breaks out above 1.3600, then I'll buy towards 1.3640. Then if it breaks below 1.3570, then I'll sell towards 1.3530. Bias is neutral to bearish for GBP USD. Bias is neutral for GBP USD. Let me see if we can have a place to put our trend line. If it's making sense, then that would be good. If it's making sense, then that would be good. Okay, it's far, so it has nothing to do with price for now. No, it's not making any sense from here. Okay, Control Z. This can remain. This one is not making any sense from here. All right, so with this, we have this. For the people that are not seeing this red line, let me just be changing it. From today, we'll be using white. Okay, from today, we'll be using white so that it will not be only us that is seeing. All right, okay. Just give me some minutes. Let me quickly do this adjustment, the trend lines. Okay, that's GBP USD, and then this. Okay, level lines. All right, so this is, I think it's clear and everybody can see it properly. Okay, okay, good. So I think it's better now and everybody can see very well. All right, so good. All right, so let's leave that. So let's watch out for a close above or below this point where it is now, and it's very choppy. So let's go to the next one, AUDUSD. AUDUSD is not doing bad, and we see on daily time frame, it has also been moving within this range. So market has been really choppy, and it's like moving at a point up and down, up and down, up and down. No real direction yet. But let's see what AUDUSD is going to do at this point in time. Let's see what it's going to do. Let's look at that from 4 hours view. From 4 hours view, we see that the resistance is still at 0.7310. The resistance at 0.7310, support 0.7220. So where it is now, I will advise you do nothing. Where it is now, don't do anything. Just wait. We are going to wait until we see a close above 0.7310. Okay, or we see a reversal, and that reversal will now be below this trend line. So we'll now sell this down if we see that, or we see a close above 0.7310, then we'll buy up. For now, resistance is at 0.7310, support at 0.7220 level. Bias is neutral to bullish. Bias is neutral to bullish. So where it is now, we are not going to do anything at this point. Okay, why are we not doing anything? Trend line is very close, resistance very close. So it's moving between the two. So we're not going to do anything until we see a clear breakout towards one side. If it closes above the resistance, then it will be a good sign for us to go up. If it hits the resistance and come back and closes inside this trend line or below this trend line, then it's time for us to pull the trigger and go down. All right, so that's that for AUDUSD today. All right, guys, advise you to trade very smartly today, because if you look at this AUDUSD critically, you're going to see this point, see this point, see this point, see this point. Now it's at that point. So it's at that point. So we might likely see a reversal from there. because that point has really been a very strong support level for that. But if we move away from that, if we look at it critically, it might be forming something very close to head and shoulder price pattern, which was not respected yesterday by gold. Okay, it might be forming head and shoulder price pattern. Okay, you can see, might be forming something like this. If that is the case, then if we see a breakout here, then it's going to be massive, to be a massive move upward. If that is the case, if this is inverse head and shoulder and it's being respected, then we're going to see a massive move upward. We're going to see a massive move upward. Then if that is not respected, then we're going to see a move downward into this trend line, then down to the bottom side. And the support is at 0.7220. A break of that may lead us towards 0.7170, which I doubt that will not happen today. Okay. All right. So tomorrow is NFP. So let's get ready for NFP tomorrow. All right. So see this now. This next one is NZDUSD. Price is already at the resistance is looking at us. Price is looking at us at the resistance already. Resistance at 0.6930, 0.6930. So price is playing at that resistance. And let's see what price is going to do. Is it going to close above the resistance, or is going to come below the resistance and then move towards the support? Our support for today is at 0.6860. 0.6860 is the support level. So now this is the 4-hour time frame. If you look at it very well, there's a 4-hour time frame, and the price respected this somehow yesterday, hit above it, moved down, then came down, closes below, then down, it moved before we now start seeing all these other 4 hours move upward. Okay, now what it's doing now is telling us that I might likely close above or below this guy. If that happens, if it closes above this guy, then that may lead us towards 0.6980 level. But if it's rejected from this point, then that may lead us downward to 0.6860 level. So these are the two sides we are looking at. So a close above this region, a candle closed above this region may lead us towards 0.6980. But if it's rejected from this region, okay, if it's rejected from that region, it might lead us down to 0.6860 level. Bias is neutral to bearish. Then you should understand something about NZD and AUD. NZDUSD and AUDUSD, they follow the stock market. If stock market is crashing, this pair will crash. If stock market is rising, this pair will rise. So if you know how to read stock market very well, then you can use that knowledge and import it to trading NZDUSD and AUDUSD. Okay, if stock market is rising, AUDUSD, NZDUSD will rise. If stock market is crashing, AUDUSD and NZDUSD will crash. Okay, so that is a kind of correlation between them. But please don't trade correlation blindly. Some people have traded correlation blindly and it has sent them back to their village. Okay, so that's trade correlation blindly. All right, so that's that for today on NZDUSD. Now the next one is USDCAD. USDCAD on daily time frame. USDCAD on daily time frame has been shopping. You can see it's just moving within a point. No clear direction actually for some time now. No clear direction. But let's see this from the trend line we had here since yesterday or so. Price has been expecting that trend line. Hit it again yesterday like 3 times back, then came down. Smart guys will have taken opportunity of this. Yes. Smart guy will have taken opportunity. By now, they will be in profit. Okay, so that fall still continues. In my own view, that fall may still continues towards 1.2520 level. If the price of oil continues to be strong, then this fall will be maintained. Okay, if price of oil continue to be strong, okay, like price of oil going up, okay, if it continues to go up, then this pair will continue to go down. Yes, if oil is going up, USDCAD will go down. If oil is going down, USDCAD will go up. That's a kind of correlation also you must understand. Okay, put that at the back of your mind, but don't trade it blindly. Okay, don't just trade it blindly, but watch out for that move. So as price of oil continue to get stronger, this guy might continue to fall towards 1.2520 level, and you can take advantage of that and make some money for yourself and smile to your bank. Okay, that's but somehow, which I don't think is going to happen today, this guy move up and closes above this trend line and this region. Okay, then that is the time to buy upward towards 1.2710, which I don't think will happen today. Okay, guys. Lastly, let's go to gold. Gold has been funny. Yes, gold has been funny, but not his fault. Market has been very choppy. Market has been moving up and down for some time now. So that is why you see this kind of up and down move we have in gold. Okay, so it has been moving up and down for some time. So let me remove this big channel we had here. Okay, so you can see the shopping movement. Gold has been moving up and down, up and down, up and down, which has not really given it a clear direction of where to really go. So for today, I am expecting gold to do one of these two things. So any of them it is going to do, any of them it does, will be an opportunity for us to make money. So if gold closes above this region I'm painting, if gold closes above this region, that means a candlestick closes above 1770. The candlestick closes above 1770. That will be opportunity for us to go higher in gold. Okay, 1770 will lead us towards 1780. It will lead us towards 1780. But where it is now, if you expect this channel and turn around from this channel, maybe a bearish candlestick is seen or formed and closed, then that might be an opportunity for us to sell gold towards 1747. Okay, but watch out carefully. Ensure gold closes above that region. I've shown you this region. If gold did not close above this region, market can go any direction, and that will be dangerous for you. So, but if it's going to go up, ensure it closes above this region. That means closes above 1770 before you take a buy decision. And on the flip side, if this trend line is respected, that's this channel, and a bearish candlestick is formed and close, okay, that will be time to sell gold towards 1747 with a very good stop loss. Okay, that is our analysis for today from CJC Market, Smart Trading, Smart Life. So it's time to take your questions.